What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Sorry I didn't drop last week. I just didn't feel like shooting. I was just like out of it. I just needed a break from shooting and editing. So I hope y'all fine with that. But we got a double unboxing. I think it's a really good double unboxing video. We got Human Made and we got Saucony. I got some shoes from Saucony, of course, and I got something else from Human Made that you all will see in a very quick second. And Moon is over there talking to herself. But thank y'all for coming back. Like, comment, subscribe down below if y'all can. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. Link down below in my description. And I will be naming the winner of the nigo box set somewhere in this video. So stay tuned for that. Let's get into it. Okay, first, we're gonna start with Human Made, because I know that y'all glad to see this, because if I showed anything else, y'all would just skim right through the video and go straight to the end. But I have Human Made to start this off with, to get y'all a little bit hyped and happy for it, since y'all come to my channel for Human Made. But yeah, I got this from Human Made. I had to get it, and I'm glad that I got it in the size that I got it in, because yeah, I want to go pay $300 something for a rug. And with me saying that, I'm pretty sure y'all know what this is. And what I got from Human Made, this is my first time opening it and taking it out, which would be this lovely scrumptious Storm Cowboy rug. I've been telling y'all I was gonna get this. This was the only thing I was concerned about this season with the drop, was this Human Made Storm Cowboy rug. This is my favorite design, logo, whatever you wanna call it, for Human Made. This is my favorite. The animals, all that is cool, but this is my favorite. I finally was able to get this. They still up, surprisingly. I'm surprised these didn't sell out how I thought they would, but they will sell out very soon. I want the small rug, and the small rug is not that bad. The small rug is not that bad of a size if you think, like, if you look at it in proportion of me. I'm kind of glad I got the small over the large, but yeah, this was one of the Human Made items that I've been waiting for, and the time came perfectly because I sold something on GRAILED. The money that I had got from GRAILED, I used to buy this, so I really didn't lose any money, like, you know, straight up. But I'm glad that I got this. And I will not be buying Human Made for a while until the fall season come out. And I think this season about to end anyway. I think you probably got a few more, like a collab left and a few more weeks of season 23. But yeah, that's what I got for Human Made. I'm very excited that I got this. Again, I'm just gonna be picking and choosing things that I wanna get and not just buying things just to be buying it. Reason why I'm just be up front, reason why I haven't been buying a lot of Human Made, they really just cut all my hours at work. So I'm not even working the same hours anymore. I'm just working like normal hours. The money ain't how it used to be, but the money is good. But the money ain't good enough for me to just keep buying Human Made. Yeah, we got this rug in. This one of the pieces I will be keeping. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the hot dog rug. I know I'm gonna keep it, but I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that. But this Storm Cowboy rug will be put somewhere in my room. Somewhere in my room. And I still got that other, I still have the duck rug that somebody had made, like that specially made one Human Made rug upstairs somewhere. But yeah, that's what I got for Human Made. I'm glad that I got it. Yeah, let's get to the Sauconys. Let's get right into it. All right, so we have a box that had the Saucony logo on it, and I got some Saucony shoes. I kind of threw up a picture on my Instagram story, then I took it down. I don't know why, I just deleted it. But if you've seen it, you know what shoes these are. So the shoes that I got for Saucony are the GRAILED Azura 2000s, and I thought these right here, oh my Lord. So these shoes right here, these Saucony GRAILED Azura 2000s are so damn hard to me. I seen somebody wearing these the other night, a different colorway, at this event that I went to at the High Museum. If you've seen that, then you know what I'm talking about. I had posted a story on my Instagram story. I was at the High Museum, and I seen somebody with these shoes with a different colorway, and I had pointed it out, and it was just dope seeing, like, every time I don't have a certain thing, and then when I get that certain thing, I see a lot of people, I just see somebody like out in public wearing it. So I just think it's interesting. Every time I get something, that's when I see it out in the wild. But yeah, these are the GRAILED Azura 2000s. I thought these shoes was really sick, mainly with that colorway and the patterns and all the different panels on here. I think is really dope and really cool. Like, this is the type of shoe I would just look at and keep walking by, but I don't know, it's just something about these shoes that caught my eye. Mainly the colors and like the cuts and stuff like that. So we're just gonna get right into it. We got like this teal colorway right here, like on somewhat in the toe box. and we got all like this tan or cream, whatever you want to call it, just gutted throughout the whole shoe. And I think that helped contrast very well with the dark color, since it's like this only light color on the shoe. So we got this cream all around, this crazy like patterns, look like shark fins like all over it. Like you got 2 shark fins back here, you got 2 in the front, and you got like some crazy stuff going on here in the middle. All right, so we have this mesh material right here in the middle, if you all can see that, and you can hear it. Also, we have like a more plasticky material right here with this Saucony S swoosh, if you want to call it. Also, these 3 little dots in the middle are 3M. I noticed this the other night when I had put it on. And also this little silver like stroke around this like yellow S swoosh, I guess you can call it. I can't get it right, I'm on the camera, I'm looking at it. But yeah, it's 3M around this as well, but 3M dots in the middle. Also, we have 3M right here on the back of the heel of the shoe as well with the Saucony logo. And we have like a lot of nubuck on. We have a lot of nubuck on this shoe and some meshes on this shoe. I like this shoe a lot. I've worn this shoe about 2 or 3 times. I got a lot of comments from it, and I'm glad that I copped this shoe, because it's like these runners and these trainer shoes coming back, like Saucony, New Balance, Asics, Carhu, especially New Balance. New Balance is taking a charge for the runners and the trainer shoes and just making it a little bit more cool, fashionable. And I'm loving that this is happening. Reason being, this just give a lot of people a break from Nike, Jordans, Adidas. Just give people a break from those shoes and give us something a little bit more new and different and something cool. And Saucony used to be one of those brands that a lot of people used to wear back in like the early 2000s, because I was one of those people. Like back in middle school, that's all I wore, a Saucony. I have a picture on the screen for y'all to see like this type of Sauconys that I wore. But I did wear a lot of Sauconys back in the day. And if you went to school with me, you knew that I wore Saucony, and y'all probably wore them too. And I'm just excited to see the old shoe brands come back and let Nike, Jordans, and Adidas know, like, bro, we here too. We can get these collabs on and popping. As you can see from New Balance, what they're doing with Aim Leon Dore, they are killing it with them. They got a protection pack going on over there. Then I'm pretty sure Saucony gonna be next, Carhu gonna be next, and Asics gonna be next with these crazy collabs. I just think New Balance is gonna take the charge on the collabs and making these shoes a little bit more visible to the public. But these shoes are hard. I'm not that good when it comes to reviewing shoes. I'm not like Tony D2 Wild, Bullet RC, Harrison Neville. Those are the guys that I go to when it comes to shoes. But as long as I've been watching them, I'm just terrible at like breaking shoes down, but I just tried my best. But yeah, I like these shoes a lot. I like these a lot. I would highly suggest people to try something a little bit more different than your standard. Get away from Jordan, get away from Nike, get away from Adidas. Try these shoes out. They are coming into style, so you won't look as crazy or look as bad as you think you would. Trust me, you will see a lot of people wearing it, like the brands that I just named, from New Balance to Asics to Carhu to Saucony. You are seeing people wearing these now. So I would highly suggest people just pick them up, see if they like them, and try them out. But yeah, I like these a lot. Mooning is in my way. Like, bro, come on now. As you can see, like, hopefully you can see on the toe box, hold on. So hopefully you can see on the toe box that I've been wearing these. I don't know if you can see it. It's got like a little bit of crease on it right here. But yeah, I've been wearing these shoes a lot, and I've been enjoying them a lot. So yeah, wear your shoes, enjoy them, get them dirty. That's shoes. Just enjoy your shoes, people. Enjoy your shoes, and Moon is planning in the shoe box. So let's announce the winners right now. The winners on the screen right here. If you're the winner of I Know Nigo box set, congratulations, you have won. Thank you for leaving a comment down below. I'm gonna do some more giveaways later down the road. It's been a while since I've done a giveaway. But with that being said, like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Casual Mac out, peace.